Okay, now we're going to talk about using your voice to control your phone. We're going to turn our phone on, open it up. Right here on the home screen, remember every time you hit the home screen it takes you to here. Right here on the home screen it says say okay Google. You don't, and as you can see that pops up. When you have the phone, I want you to click on the I agree and follow the prompts. If you want to be on Dad's phone talking to me while you're doing this, that's fine, but the phone will get used to hearing your voice. So literally, anytime you say, okay, Google, it'll pop up, and it won't say this every time. It'll actually want you to tell it what to do. Like you could say, okay, Google, call Arlena. And once it's set up for your voice, it'll call my phone. But right now, I'm going to click on this. I don't have it set up for the OK Google. Yep, see, it keeps wanting to open that up. But in the meantime, so that I don't have to say those words, I can just click on, there's a little microphone here, and I can say, call Arlena.
Calling Arlena, mobile.
It's a really nice way to use the phone. I'm going to hang up quick so it doesn't try to call my phone. It's a really great thing to do. You could click on that button and then just say, call John.
Do you want to call John Humble or John Beloved? Or you can say the name of another John.
So that's what's nice too, is when you have more than one John on your phone, it'll come up with all of these options. Shh, stop it. Oh gosh, sorry. Anyways, it'll come up with a bunch of different Johns. It'll ask you which John you want to call, and then you can just click on it. Let's try this again. Call John.
Do you want to call John Humble or John Beloved? Or you can say the...
And you can click right on John Beloved, which I'm going to hang up so he doesn't get a call from us. So that's something really cool about this. This is also where you could say, what is the weather going to be today?
Today's forecast for Soldiers Grove is 46 degrees and cloudy.
You could say, what is the normal human temperature? Sometimes if she doesn't talk back to you, that's just because she's going to pop up with articles, and you scroll down. If you want what's in blue, means you can actually click on it, and then it'll load here in a second. You can actually read, but it'll have different articles you can read on. Imagine each one of these are a newspaper article that you could just click on, and it'll take you into it. Some of them, if there's a play button like that, that means that that is a video that you can play on it. So that is, you could also use this for texting, but it's a little bit more complicated. I think you should practice with the phone with just using calls or for Googling information. Anything you want, you just hit this button. And how do I make a pineapple upside down cake? And all sorts of recipes will pop up. You just click on one and it opens up. But I think you'll really like the feature for looking stuff up or for telling the phone to call us. The other thing I wanted to point out to you is that's the microphone for Googling or telling the phone to call. Or another thing you might enjoy is when you click on messages, because let's say you want to text us and you want to text Arlena, which I just clicked on. You just texted me a little bit ago. Down here, I have to click on here to open up my alphabet, but you'll see right over here in the corner, there's also a little microphone. If I click on that, it'll start recording my voice until I stop talking. Hi, my darling. I hope you are having a good day. And then hit the microphone when you're done talking, or eventually it turns itself off, and it'll type what you just told it to say. If you like what it says, then you can hit the blue button and you can send it off to me. You could do this for anybody, any of us kids. I'm going to hit the back button. I have a text here that we had started to John, which remember I have to hit down here in order to pull up my alphabet. So this is going to John. I'm going to text or hit my microphone button Hi, my beloved John. I hope you and the boys are having a good day. And I turned off my microphone. You can see all I have to do is hit send and it sends off to John. This is my send button, the blue send button right there. So that is how you can use the microphone. The microphone inside of the texting is used just for sending texting, for using voice to type up what you want to send. This one out here is for, this G, whoops, stands for Google. This is, Google's connected to the phone, so it either, you can use it to call somebody, or Google recipe, or YouTube Chris Tomlin.
Here are some matching news articles.
And it'll show you videos that have Chris Tomlin in it. So that's it. I think all we're going to go over right now for the voice texting.